Did you know that 90% of startups fail, with 29% citing a poor tech stack as a major factor? Choosing the right tech stack can propel you to success, and the wrong one, well, let's not go there. In this video, we will discuss the step-by-step process of choosing the right tech stack for your startup. So, what exactly is a tech stack? Think of it as your startup's digital DNA, the unique combination of programming languages, frameworks, and tools that bring your product to life. Here are some popular tech stacks that you can keep in mind for later. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of choosing the right tech stack. First, outline your project requirements. Are you building a web app, a mobile app, or both? What key features will set you apart in the market? Answering these questions lays the groundwork for your tech decisions. Next, let's talk timing. How soon do you need to launch? Some frameworks are built for speed, allowing you to hit the ground running. But remember, we're not just sprinting, we're in a marathon. Balance rapid development with long-term performance. Now, let's focus on what your users will see and interact with, the front end. Popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js each bring their own flavor to the table. Your choice here will shape your user experience, so choose wisely based on your project's unique needs. With the front end sorted, it's time to build your back end muscle. Whether it's the versatility of JavaScript with Node.js, the simplicity of Python with Django, or the robustness of Java with Spring, your back-end choice will be the powerhouse of your application. Wait, there's more! We can't forget about DevOps and hosting. Think of these as the stage and crew for your tech performance. Tools like Docker and Kubernetes, coupled with cloud giants like AWS or Google Cloud, ensure your show runs smoothly, night after night. Now, let's talk money. Your tech stack isn't just a technical decision, it's a financial one too. Consider the cost of hiring developers skilled in your chosen technologies and maintaining your digital infrastructure. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the most cost-effective in the long run. Finally, put on your future vision goggles. Your startup isn't just for today, it's for tomorrow and beyond. Choose a stack that can grow with you, handling increasing user loads and expanding data needs. And there you have it. Choosing the right tech stack is like assembling your startup's dream team. It impacts everything from performance to scalability. Take your time, do your research, and build a foundation that will support your startup's journey to the stars. You can even consider hiring a fractional CTO on demand to plan your tech strategy in the right way. If this tech talk got your gears turning, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more startup insights. Here's to your tech-powered success.